Hi everyone, thanks for clicking on the video. Today I'm just going to go over something I put together. It's a guide that walks through basic Microsoft Excel. Basically, if you've never used Microsoft Excel before, this is really going to get you started. So the guide that I put together is called Excel Jumpstart, and it's learning Excel in under an hour. So I'm assuming because you clicked on this video, you have been considering whether or not you should learn Microsoft Excel. And I think that you should, because learning Excel is really going to help you accelerate in your career, especially if the other people in your peer group or in your work environment don't know how to use it. It's the most used program in business. It helps you get work done faster. It helps you meet expectations, if there's a project or something like that. And once you can get your work done faster and you start meeting expectations, others are going to start coming to you for the answers to their problems. And that's the position you want to be in, because when people start coming to you, you're going to be in a position to excel and do better in your career. So the guide goes through step by step, basically assumes you have no knowledge of Excel whatsoever, and it walks you from the very basic opening a workbook all the way through to printing a workbook. And along the way, you're going to learn to format cells, you're going to learn to manipulate information, managing the data inside of Excel, navigating Excel, things like that. And it just very simply walks you straight through step by step. So by the end of it, you're going to have a lot to build off of. So with the guide, you get access to a full-length video tutorial that just walks through the entire guide step by step that you can follow along with, so you can kind of see how it works. It comes with an Excel file that you download, and you're able to take the guide and walk through step by step with the actual file so that you get some hands-on experience walking through the steps. And it also comes with a shortcuts worksheet that just helps you get working a little bit faster with Excel. You always have access to the Accounting Excel website, the tools on there, the Accounting Excel YouTube channel. I'm just going to keep putting more and more tutorials on there, so you'll always have that as a resource. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to the Accounting Excel YouTube channel. I'll leave a link to the guide so that you can download it in the description to this video, so that you can go ahead and get started. So go ahead and do that, and we will see you all next time.